I remember that last time we observed the number of companies in different industries in a given country. But what about a country with as many different companies as the United States? Look at that diverse pie. But what if some of the companies are making more money than others? What if there are similar numbers of all these different kinds of companies, but different types still dominate the economy? Well, that is why I created this program that shall not only count up the number of types of different companies in a given country, but count the amount of money that each of the different industries is making. Let us observe the revenue of different sectors in the United States in 2006.
Wow, look at those numbers. Alrighty. One of them is still zero. What the hell? What do we not have? Apparently we don't have any restaurants. Hotels, restaurants, and leisure. That doesn't sound about right. Oh, well, let's just ignore that.
Oh,
Whoa, 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 whoa. That looks like a stock market graph. We don't want that.
it's not labeled. The graph must have the label. Let's get us a spicy pie chart. Even though real data scientists don't like pie charts. Wow, it looks like the retailers and the oil and gas companies are pulling in the revenue. Oh, wow. What other types of companies are pulling in the revenue? Healthcare equipment. 6.8% of the revenue. Well, what percentage of the companies are healthcare and equipment? 6.1%. Okay. It looks like the retailers are pulling in a larger percentage of revenue than they are the percentage of the companies. Same with oil and gas. It's almost like it's 2006 and our economy is overly, consumption based. Oh, wow. But what about the profits? We've had some fun looking at the revenue, but what about the revenue minus the expenses? That will require separate calculations.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Doo-doot, 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 doo-doot.
Oh. What are these numbers? Some of them are losing money. Also, it looks like profits are far more consolidated in a smaller number of sectors than revenue is. My God.
Let's find out.
Wow. Wait, can we even make a pie chart with negative numbers? The consumer durables are losing money. Oh, wow. Look at those banking companies.
They're pulling in the dollars. Wait, let's compare the profits to the number of companies. It looks like the banks are pulling in a disproportionate amount of money per company. That means that it's a naturally consolidating industry. Same with oil. Wait, where's retailing? Retailing is way down there.
Oh!
Retailing is pulling in 6.2% of the profits, but 11.6% of the revenue. That means that retailing is a lower margin business.
And what about software?
Software is pulling in 3.7% of the profits, despite pulling in only 1.6% of the revenue.
Well, that's a high margin business right there. Look at those numbers.
So it looks like software is a better industry to be in than retailing. Unless you're Amazon and you do both. Yeah, but wait, we don't have to do this for the United States. We can study Australia, mate. Let's go to Australia. Aussie, 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 whatever, whatever, whatever. Woo, we're going to Australia. Australia.
Woo! We're going on a ship to our favorite Australian place. What the hell is that sector that's making all that money? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ah! I just murdered the chart. Now it's an Australian chart.
What the hell is this?
It looks like the Australian corporate sector in 2006 has a lot of banks, or at least the large companies are banks, because this is only the ones that managed to make it onto the Forbes Global 2000. So they're just naturally going to be the companies that are naturally consolidating, which we, earlier found that banks are pretty naturally consolidating a high profit margin business. But still, it's almost like it's 2006 and so many of the profits are made by banks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What about Greece? We going to Greece. We're going on vacation to the land of bankruptcy. Let's see what they were doing back in 2006. Yeah. Greece.
Oh, wow, 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 wow. Look at those numbers. Let's put them into a pie chart. That's what Greece's corporate sector looked like in 2006. I don't see any problems at all. They're gonna do great over the next decade.